Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Ender 3 upgrades is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for 3D printing enthusiasts looking to elevate their printing game, transforming their reliable yet basic Creality Ender 3 into a powerhouse of precision and speed. This isn't just about tweaking a few settings, it's about unlocking the true potential of your machine, pushing the boundaries of what you thought possible and achieving professional-grade results right from your own workshop, making every print a masterpiece. Number 5. Creality Ender 3 Upgrade Kit. Elevate your 3D printing experience with our comprehensive upgrade kit. Designed to enhance performance and reliability, it's the perfect solution for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Experience flawless filament feeding with our all-metal extruder. It firmly grips your filament, preventing slips and skipped steps, allowing for faster, more consistent prints. Achieve unparalleled precision with Capricorn XS Bowden tubing. Its tight tolerances ensure filament travels directly to the hot end, supporting a wide range of materials even at high temperatures. Enjoy longer-lasting bed stability with our extra-firm die springs. Level your print bed once and trust it to stay put, reducing print failures and improving overall quality. Get back to printing in no time. This kit includes all necessary parts and clear instructions for a quick and hassle-free assembly, directly replacing your old, fragile plastic extruder. Designed for versatility, this upgrade kit is compatible with a wide range of Creality 3D printers, including the Ender 3 series and CR10 models, making it an ideal choice for many users. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive upgrade for your extruder and filament path. It includes an all-metal extruder for better filament grip, Capricorn tubing for precise feeding, and stiffer springs for a more stable bed. If you're experiencing filament grinding or inconsistent extrusion, this is a great all-in-one solution to improve reliability. What people say. My stock extruder clamp actually managed to snap one day after several months of use, but with this version I certainly won't have that issue again. It fit really well, and so long as you assemble it correctly, the tolerances and accuracy was excellent. The Capricorn tubing is nice, and it is better than the stock PTFE tubing. The tolerances and precision of the tubing is better, I checked. For most standard print materials like PLA and PETG, there is exactly zero difference using this, despite being superior. However, with other filaments and special use cases, there is a difference. Some TPUs and filaments that happen to run particularly hot, you will actually find there is benefit to this tubing. The springs are very stout compared to the stock version. The metal one is intended to work for more time without issues. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 Metal Extruder Upgrade. This is an official, all-metal 3D printer extruder upgrade. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy with a sandblasted surface, it's built for long-term use and performs better than the original plastic part. It features an adjustable bolt to fine-tune the pressure of the drive gear. This ensures stronger filament feeding into the nozzle, significantly improving your printer's performance with various filament types. The optimized design with metal extrusion ensures consistent power in filament feed-in. Its beveled intake prevents filament scraping, providing a smoother printing experience. This is a DIY kit that comes with all necessary screws and parts for assembly. Installation is straightforward by following the included instructions or visual guide. We offer 24/7 customer service with 12 months limited warranty and lifetime technical assistance. Our dedicated team is ready to help with any questions you may have. What we like. This is the official all-metal extruder upgrade from Creality, ensuring quality and compatibility. Its adjustable tension allows you to fine-tune filament pressure for optimal extrusion, and the improved grip prevents slipping. If you want a direct, high-quality replacement for your stock plastic extruder and prioritize ease of use, this is the one to consider. What people say. The metal design feels way stronger and more durable than the stock plastic extruder. Since upgrading to metal, extrusion has been much more consistent, and I haven't had any problems with skipping or under-extruding. This extruder kit kicks the stuffing out of the one that comes with the printer. It replaces the flimsy plastic with strong and certain steel. It goes on in only a few pieces and is really straightforward and fast to install. 100% better than stock plastic one, all metal, easier to use, simpler mechanism parts, and the innards are exposed so you can see the filament go through, and the filament feeds so much better into Bowden tube. Number 3. 3D Printer Enclosure with LED lighting. Improve your workspace visibility with our innovative built-in LED light strip. It illuminates your printing process, allowing you to monitor it more effectively, even in low-light conditions. It provides a stable and controlled environment for your prints, maintaining a consistent temperature. This ensures high-quality prints while avoiding failures and material wastage. Protect your 3D printer and reduce the risk of accidents with fire-resistant materials and a sturdy structure. It also prevents dust particles from impacting print quality and keeps children or pets safe. Installation takes just 5 minutes, allowing for a quick start and easy disassembly. Its robust construction ensures stability and supports your long-term use. This enclosed cover effectively blocks the transmission of printing noise. You can enjoy a quiet and silent printing process. It is compatible with a wide range of 3D printers, including popular models like Creality Ender and Anycubic. If your printer fits within the dimensions, it's likely compatible. What we like. This enclosure provides a safe and controlled printing environment. Its fireproof material offers peace of mind, while the constant temperature feature helps prevent print failures and improve quality. The integrated LED lighting illuminates your print bed for better monitoring. If you're concerned about safety, want to improve print consistency in fluctuating room temperatures, or simply want better visibility of your prints, this enclosure is an excellent choice. What people say. Assembly was straightforward, and didn't take too much effort. Directions were good. Just make sure you fully seat all of the rods into their sockets and you shouldn't have any issues. It also cut the fan and printer noise way down, which is great. Super easy to assemble, although it's bigger than you think, so have some space. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 Dual Z-Axis Upgrade Kit. Tired of layer ripples and filament issues? This upgrade significantly reduces Z-axis vibration, ensuring a more stable and higher quality print every time. Experience improved printing performance like never before. Unlike other solutions, this kit maintains the precision of a stepper motor. This ensures the lead screw operates smoothly, providing consistent and reliable performance for your printing needs. Upgrade your printer's single Z-axis to a dual system. This allows both ends of the X-axis to move synchronously, making leveling easier and less frequent. Enjoy a smoother printing experience. This upgrade kit is designed to be highly compatible. It works seamlessly with the Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 V2, Ender 3 Neo, and Ender 3 V2 Neo models. Easily enhance your existing printer. Achieve the benefits of a dual Z-axis system without breaking the bank. This kit offers a cost-effective way to significantly improve your 3D printer's capabilities and efficiency. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any installation or usage issues, our technical team is ready to assist. Expect detailed solutions within 24 hours. What we like. Upgrade your printer's stability with this dual Z-axis kit. By adding a second lead screw, it ensures the X-axis moves up and down more evenly, significantly reducing Z-axis wobble and improving print quality. If you're struggling with layer lines or find yourself constantly releveling your bed due to X-axis sag, this upgrade will provide a much smoother and more stable printing experience. What people say. Fits perfectly, and increased quality a little bit as well. Also makes it easier to level the bed. It improved my bed leveling and print quality and easy to install. This upgrade works wonders on larger print beds. I upgraded an Ender 3 with the 400 by 400 mm Ender extender kit, and the sag from the X gantry was pretty significant, despite dialing in the V-slot wheels. I would highly recommend using this with a mainboard that supports 2 Z-axis stepper motors on independent drivers. Independent control is required to perform automatic Z-tilt adjustment in the firmware. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 Upgraded Silent Board version 4.2.7. Tired of noisy 3D printers? This upgraded silent board dramatically reduces stepper motor noise, ensuring your machine runs at exceptionally low decibels, below 50 dB. This board is designed for a wide range of Ender 3 models, including the Pro, V2, Max, Neo, V2 Neo, and Max Neo. It's plug and play for the standard Ender 3. Featuring the TMC2225 driver and pre-installed Marlin 2.0.1 firmware, this board offers advanced performance and a smooth printing experience. Updating the firmware is straightforward. Simply copy the correct file to a formatted SD card, insert it into the powered-off printer, and power it back on. We're here to help. If you encounter any issues or have questions, our professional technical team provides support within 24 hours. What we like. Experience a dramatically quieter printing environment with this silent motherboard. Featuring TMC2225 drivers, it significantly reduces stepper motor noise, allowing for much more peaceful operation. If you're looking to minimize noise pollution from your 3D printer, especially if it's located in a living space or office, this silent board is a must-have upgrade. What people say. The integrated TMC2225 drivers provide much quieter stepper motor operation compared to many older driver chips, which helps turn a noisy Ender 3 into a significantly quieter machine. Upgrading to this board introduces the 32-bit processor, which enhances motion responsiveness and supports updated firmware like Marlin 2.0.1 right out of the box. The board offers built-in support for features such as BL Touch auto bed leveling and filament runout sensors and includes thermal protection for added safety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.